Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Some of you have even dubbed me the queen of giveaways going on lately. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. So for the month of September is the Ruby May Mood palette. Kind of matches the eye look that I have going on right now, but this is actually the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette that I've got a review that I'm doing that'll be coming up here in shortly. Anyway, I've got a bunch of other giveaways going on as well. I will put links in the description box down below that take you to the different videos, talk about how to enter all the giveaways. My #1 rule on all of my giveaways is that you must be a subscriber to my channel because I do this for you guys. So Allure puts out a beauty box. It is $15 a month. It's kind of like their best of stuff that they've got going on. They're $65 in value, and there's about 5 deluxe size. Sometimes they throw in a full size. Some months have been hits. I really liked them. Others not so much. So let's see where this one falls. I do like that they finally got rid of those little plastic makeup bags. Everybody complained that they didn't like them, that they broke real easily, and so they finally got rid of those, and now all the products are just in the box. So this is the Best of Beauty Allure Beauty Expert Award-winning box. It says, "Oh sure, they tell you the holidays are the most wonderful time of the year, but a month where the planet's most amazing assortment of beauty products are celebrated all in one piece. That's pretty close second." I'm talking, of course, about the Allure's annual Best of Beauty Awards, announced this month, and in honor of the blowout, your September box is filled exclusively with products that have won Best of Beauty in the past and still hold a special place in our hearts and medicine cabinets. So the first product in here is from Nars. It is their Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dolce Vita. Retails for $27. In the world of lipstick bullets shaped like cats, the humble lip pencil could use some appreciation. Take this one from Nars, which they consider to be a gold standard. The soft, rounded tip, like an extreme butterly crayon, applies smoothly, and the pigmentation color is definitely impressive, though you can blot it out if you want just a wash of color. Never leaves your lips cracked or cakey, and it's a serious staying power. The Dolce Vita shade, which is very pinky, very pretty nude, it lasts throughout snacking and sipping. And so here's what that color looks like. Here's what this looks like. I'm not gonna swatch it because I have already started setting stuff aside for my 400 subscriber, as well as a big one for our 500 subscriber giveaways. So help us get there. From Ciate, London, here's another full-size product. This retails for $26. It is their Dewy Stick Luminous Highlighting Balm in the shade Gleam. Ciate, London is cruelty-free. They make one of my favorite mascaras. The Wonderland mascara is my all-time favorite. This packaging is gorgeous. And here's what this looks like. This highlighter is clear and glitter-free, so it gives you a lit from within look in the most natural way possible. It's also foolproof. Just tap it on your cheekbones to achieve a dewy sheen. You can use it on your eyelids too for an all-over radiance. The highlighter gets its glow from the superfine pearlescent pigments and has a pretty golden tint. It's a universally flattering way to attract light to the high points of your face without looking made up. And even though it's a balm, it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. I am going to throw this one in. I don't want to swatch it because I'm going to save this for that giveaway too. Here are 2 products by Naturelab. So you have the Perfect Smooth Shampoo, Color Protectant, Sulfate and Paraben Free, as well as the Perfect Smooth Conditioner, Color Protectant, Paraben Free. So these retail for $14 each, and this duo won Best of Beauty Award in 2018 for calming frizz on every texture. I need the frizz help. So I'm looking forward to this. Sulfate free, so they're great for color treated hair, which I do have. The formula doesn't weigh down the hair at all. It's especially impressive given that they're powered by so many hydrating, shine boosting ingredient agents, baobab and marula oils, and detangling and smoothing ceramides, plus the shampoo and conditioner are vegan and cruelty free, and the formulas don't contain paraben or phosphates. Love that. I can't wait to try this one out next month. Actually in November I am going on a couple college visits with my son, so these will be thrown in the suitcase. By LA Roche Posay is their Lipikar Eczema Soothing Relief Cream. I don't have eczema. Full size of this retails for $14.99. It's a true eczema treatment. It contains colloidal oatmeal, which is tried and true. It helps ease dry hands. Even if you don't have eczema, you'll love this stuff. It's intensely hydrating without being too heavy, so it makes for a great hand cream as well. I think I am going to throw that in the giveaway as well. By Acure is their Brightening Facial Scrub. A full size of this retails for $9.99. Most exfoliators are too harsh for sensitive skin and broken capillaries, but this formula, Super Lift Grit, doesn't aggravate sensitive skin or make it red at all. It just makes it look and feel smoother. You know, it's got a clay in it which cleanses skin by pulling out gunk and pores, walnut shell powder which exfoliates without being abrasive, and aloe to help soothe the skin. I'm not big on walnut shell powder. It really irritates my skin. This is going to be a hard pass for me. So I got a bunch of stuff for you guys for the giveaway, a bunch of even full-size products in here. I think the only thing I'm keeping out of here for myself are just the two trials of the shampoo. What did you guys think? If you get Allure, did you get the same thing? Did you guys get something different? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It means so much to me, you guys, when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.